In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for a JP Morgan Chase job. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go down to the search bar and click in JP Morgan job or Chase job, like so. Once from here, you'll see the first one called JP Morgan Chase Careers, and you'll just need to click on that. Now from here, you'll be going into the website of JP Morgan, and you'll be able to read along what is necessary to get a job inside of JP Morgan and what career advice that they will give you. From here, if you want to apply for a job, you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner to click join our team, and then from here you'll be going into this page right here. Once from here, you'll need to find a job, like add in a job title, skill that you have, or a keyword, and you can select your location, either city, state, and country. From here you can just click postal code, for example, and then add your postal code like so. Once from here, you'll be able to see all of the open job application that you can send, and from here you can just add the categories for your specific skill sets, and you can add the posting date if you want to do that. Now from here you'll need to find a specific one that you want to choose, so let's just choose this one for example, and you can go down here to see a little bit more of the identification for the job category, the business units, and all of the other locations, full-time schedules, and what the job description is all about, and what is the required qualification, capacity, and skills for this specific role. From here, if you want to apply for it, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see the apply section down here. And then from here, you'll be able to add in your email address that then they will start communicating with you. Once you get that, you'll need to click I agree to the terms and conditions and click next. Once from here, you'll need to add in your resume and everything else that Chase will say that you need to upload. And then from here, you can submit your application to Chase or JP Morgan. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!